Good afternoon. It's Sunday, October 11th. I'm getting ready for my last trip of the season here. Getting my truck, the Mountaineer, all set here. Have to take the seats out and put the bed in again. Get ready for my last adventure. Alright, to remove the seats on the 2002 generation Mercury Mountaineers and Ford Explorers, in case anybody's interested, there's 5 bolts on the 2 side seats, 6 in the middle. I just use a simple ratcheting wrench there to remove them, and once the seat's out, you can see there's just a little stub there. Yeah, the sun's light's pretty bad here, but I'd like to put the nuts back on again so I don't lose any parts. I put them on hand tight, so don't need to. No sense in ratcheting them down if there's no seat there. I'll put the seat back, I'll ratchet everything down though. Just put them on hand tight, and that way they don't disappear. So that one, and this one, same thing on the other side too. Oof. See, they can be kind of tough to remove at times. 2 seats are out, and as before, I like to put the hardware back, just hand tight, so I don't lose them. And I do put the seats back and forth in this vehicle all the time, till the day I get my dedicated camping van. Now this is what I'm using. Okay, we got the seats removed. I'm just here on the floor now. I'm gonna put the tools away and we'll start putting the bed together. And now we've got the bed platform back in place. You can see it's just a simple board, sheet of plywood, some 2x4s to create a frame. It's kind of not even all that stable, but once the whole mattress is set up on it, it's stable enough. Now to add the floor in. In addition to the mattress platform, we got the floor in there. There's the mattress. It's all set up. Nice, neat little setup there. I'm going to put another layer on top, make it more comfortable. Now, I found that this nice foam mattress here is actually a little too firm for my liking. So I discovered that if I put my foam air pad that goes part of my tent camping setup on here, there's a top layer, that fixes it. It becomes very comfortable then. This thing just expands. I already owned it, didn't cost me any extra money. It makes the bed very comfortable. So I'm about to fill the water tank. You can see I got the hose attached. Goes down here, I just got a coupler on there and it's connected up to the garden hose, up to the house. And I got the drain cock open, everything's opened up, and I just turn the water on until water starts coming out of the drain cock. And that's how you know when the tank is full. And just wait for it to stop coming out. Means the hose has been depressurized. Yeah, the camera got a little wet. And then we close the valve. And disconnect the hose. And we're done. Oops. Supposed to close this valve first though. Yeah. Yeah, done. Now we got a tank of water. I'm on my way to my last adventure for the camping season. Heading up to Ascutney State Park, as I've already said during my packing videos. I'm on the way. Hopefully I didn't forget anything. We'll see. It's pretty lousy weather though. It's raining out here. Alright, back on the highway, up to 89 now. Yeah, it's gonna be a long trip. Not gonna get there till around 5 now. Ugh. There we go. Another 68 miles to go. Heading for 89 now. Then we can merge into traffic and we'll be on our way. Made it back to 89 again. Following 89 to Route 114. It's a 12A, so another 60 miles to go. We're almost there. 330, 443, yeah. Get there in a little over an hour. We don't make any additional stops. I don't run into any traffic. Can't wait to get off the road. I hate driving in this rain. Slowed down a bit. Probably just crescent, probably gonna pick right up again. But much better driving when you don't have rain pouring on you constantly. The fall foliage really has picked up a lot up here. Like I think we're driving through peak now, so maybe a little after peak, but it's not bad. It's great color here. I think we're gonna get some good photos from the Mount Ascutney area here because I think I'm actually further north than I'm going to be right now. So we'll see what happens. But I have a feeling we're going to get some good photos this weekend, this week. That's an interesting looking truck up there. Not sure what the story is on that one, but got his lights working and everything else on there. Just kind of a strange back on it, that's all. Not sure how well that's showing up in the camera here, but I think that's Mount Ascutney up there. I think that's where we're headed. Mount Ascutney's a monadnock. It's just a mountain up by itself, so hard to see though because, well, it's got a lot of clouds over it. It's crummy weather we've been dealing with. That is a cool looking bridge. Looking at my map there, it seems to be a train bridge. It's up there. So the altitude is 380 feet above sea level right now. That's neat. I have a feeling we're going to get up a little bit higher than this before we're done. across into Vermont. Across the Connecticut River and all that sort of stuff. Just about there now. Come around the corner, you'll see the river. There it is. This color's here. And we're officially in Vermont. Welcome to Vermont. Last trip of the year. About to pull up onto Route 5. I've arrived safely at the campground at Mount Ascutney State Park. Everything set up out here. Well, don't have everything set up. Don't have anything set up. I haven't set up much yet. Can't really see much because it's getting dark out already. But I do have the fire going. That was one of the first things I got set up. Managed to park my scooter right here so it's out of the rain. It just won't stop raining. A miserable night. But we'll make the best of it. A miserable drive, that's for sure. We'll make the best of it. Not the best campground ever. It's so close to Route 91. I just hear traffic all the time here, but we'll live with it. Trying to get things set up, and then we're going to make some dinner. We got baked ham tonight. And this one, the same on the other side. Oops, that was a good move.